approve the motion. Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Mr. Chairman. Plus, just
Thank you,
like
Mr.
to
Chairman. Thank you.
support this. You know why, Mr. Chairman? Because once we have the bridge from Luzon to the Visayas, the next one will be from the Visayas to Mindanao. There is no other way to develop far-flung Mindanao but to have a seamless travel from Mindanao through Surigao, through Leyte, then Samar to Matnog. And that is why I'm not going to ask now for that feasibility study, but next year, let me therefore give my already notice to appeal to the senators and the congressmen that next year there will be another 130 million for Mindanao to Visayas. Mr. Chairman, NGCP first started to connect Manila to Visayas. That was 5 years ago. 2 years ago, NGCP connected Visayas to Mindanao. We're now interconnected the entire grid of NGCP. So production in Mindanao can be brought to Luzon through the Visayas. So let me just give notice with the support of Senator Legarda that the next one, next year, will be asking for that so that matapos yung feasibility study for Samar to Matnog, and then we will have